Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create multiple YouTube channels under one email account. So let's get started. So here we are in youtube.com, and then as you can see I have my account logged in right here, which is my email or in my Gmail. And from here, to create multiple YouTube channels, you need to click here on your profile on the top right. And then from here, what you want to do is you can click here on settings. And then you would be taken right here, and from here what you want to do now is click on create a new channel, since I don't have one yet, but if you have one then it should say create or add, and click here on this option, and then from here you can just add a channel. So let's name it tutorial sample right here, and click on this one right here, checkbox, click on create, and now let's see. And we just need to wait for this one to load right here, and it's creating our channel under our channel name tutorial sample. And now here it is right here. Now we have our channel right here. As you can see, this is a brand new one with the name that we have chosen right here. So when we go back right here on settings and add or manage your channel, as you can see it is now different, so you can click on that, and then from here you would be able to see all of the channels that you have right here. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.